Hey everybody, I just wanted to quickly share my experience with Embari since it's all over and some of you saw my before and after photos. If you haven't, go to my feed and look at them. They're pretty dang amazing. I did not lose a ton of weight. I think I lost 2 pounds, maybe 3. But that is not what it was about at all for me. It was about feeling better about myself and changing my body composition. And that is exactly what I did. My body composition has completely changed. It looks like I did before I was pregnant, honestly. And I feel so much happier with myself. And I just speak more kindly to myself, which sounds strange to say, but it's true. That's what Embari taught me to do, and explained to me in detail how important that is and why it's important. And on top of all that, I learned some really awesome recipes. I learned how to count my macros, and I did my first HIIT workout ever. Who was here for that? Give me a woo woo. I was here for Anna's first HIIT workout. It went terribly and I almost vomited.